Hey there, are you tired of those constant interruptions while you're just trying to browse peacefully? Push notifications can be helpful, but they can also become overwhelming, bombarding you with updates you don't need. But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to disable push notifications in Google Chrome, so let's dive right in. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Then spot the three dot icon up there in the upper right corner of your screen. Give it a click. Next up, hit that settings option. Once you're in the settings option, cruise over to the left side menu and click on privacy and security. Now look for the site settings and give it a click. Alright, you've made it. Now let's get to the permission section. Click on notifications. Here's the important part. Select don't allow sites to send notifications. And just like that, you're all set. No more pesky push notifications from Chrome on your computer. And there you have it. That's how you can easily disable browser push notifications in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.